A very good morning to all of you guys. It's a very beautiful morning again. It's a bit foggy all over there. So it's Sunday and 8th of March 2026. I am at my place where I regularly practice my English and recording myself for uploading on my channel, and I do this practice for to be fluent in this language. So many people ask me whenever I speak, and as you know, and keep uploading videos in English on my channel Anglify with Aman on YouTube. And not only YouTube, sometimes I also upload blogs in my Facebook channel. So people ask me, many people ask me that why are you giving so much energy for this language? And I don't answer them, but sometimes I answer them in a moderate way. But what I am thinking about, why I am giving so much time, it is because we just have desire because of something we don't have. That's why we want that things, like if you have a bike, simple bike, then you desire for expensive bike. Like if you have a splendor bike, then you have desire for Royal Enfield, Bullet. And if you have Bullet, then definitely your desire will be 600 cc or more than 600 cc Harley Davidson or BMW bikes. And if you have bike and if you don't have cars, then simply you want to, at least you should have 800 cc's Alto car. And if you have Alto car, then you want to go upper level, and you are longing for the XUV. So in this way I am thinking, because I don't know English. If I know this language very well, why I do care about learning? So, and since I don't know English, so I am on it. I am practicing day by day, and I want to own it. I want to achieve this target. So, and what will be changed after learning this, and what will happen when I will well conversant in this language? The answer is simple. Since this language is very important for each and every aspect in professional life and connect to the world, and it will change not your language but your class. it will change your class basic to a high level, I can say, and a common and ordinary to elite level, and everyone wants to be special. And so this is the point. So why not, if I learn this language and my class will be changed to basic to advanced to basic, ordinary to elite. So, and if you, and it doesn't want something from extra, but just it requires for some your attention, for time being, your attention, your consistency. So we have 24 hours, and if we give some our time for it, so what's wrong in it? Like, uh, it's a inner feeling. When you do puja, God doesn't say that you should uh, do worship. So it's a inner feeling. When we do worship, when we bow down to our Almighty and Almighty, then we feel something, a peace or uh, contentment. That's why we do puja, all about that. Likewise, if you have time 24, everyone has time the same 24 hours, and it's depend on we people how we expend our time and where we expend our time. Like, if we expend our time in playing sports, then definitely we will be good at sports and we will physically fit. And if we do exercises in gym, definitely our body will be improved. Likewise, if we uh, expend our time on communication skill, our communication skill will be improved. So this is what we want from ourselves, what is our actual desire for achieve things. So everyone want to be recognized. Why we do care about going gym and working hard? To be look good, to be fit, and to be noticed. That's the reason behind we go to the gym. Likewise, we while speaking, when we speak something in public, in front of anyone, we want everyone should be listening us, and whatever we speak, that will be recommendable and acceptable and appreciable. So likewise, so for this we need to definitely uh, work on it, because when we speak in a public, we need to focus on whatever we are saying to him and how we are saying to him, and what will be impact uh, on this. So impacted, so we should be aware of it while speaking. And if we do daily regular focus on what I am saying, then definitely it will become our habit of thinking before speaking. So likewise, when you practice English or any language, then your nature turn to think about how do you express your thoughts in front of people, and in a minute of in a nanosecond, uh, without giving so much attention, your mind works, because it your mind is used of thinking like this. So for some period of time, when you practice for any language, your habit become a focus on what are you saying. So I hope I am able to manage to make you understand and make my thought clear to put on this video, in this video. So what is the importance of learning any language? So this is what I didn't think what I'm going to say about on today, because when I came, nothing was in my mind, and just simply I picked my phone and opened and started speaking, and I started speaking, and something whatever I spoke just right now, just they came from my mouth, and I kept on speaking. So this is what. So it's a Sunday, and yesterday I didn't post in evening, and I had to post that video of my mind, because it was the commitment. I had to post 5 days and 10 videos. So when I returned back, I was feeling that something stressed, and later on I skip my reading, shadowing, and also I wanted to say something on phone, but all thing didn't work. And so, but today is Sunday, I don't have to go to my workplace, so I will try to upload more videos on today, because I have to go to the some ceremony invitation in evening. So definitely I won't find time to work on my daily routine habit, but I'll try to that routine program shifted in a day, and I will try to upload another 2 videos today, because if I upload 2 videos more 2 videos on today, then definitely my routine set program will be achieved, done. So thank you once again, thank you for watching and listening up to now, and here I am taking your leave. I am going to take some exercise, and Surya Narayan hasn't come yet, and so I am waiting for him. And so it's a Sunday, it's a holiday, so have fun and take care of yourself. Thank you very much.